Tip for installing tiles.
1. Materials and technology.
Did you know the Blue Mosque's dreamy interior has more than 20,000 handmade ceramic tiles? Ceramic tiles, porcelain tiles, glass tiles, natural stone. The most common and easiest to install are ceramic tiles, which are made of clay. Porcelain tiles are easily a great choice for high traffic areas. This is because they have sand added to the clay mixture, making them more durable and resistant. Another type is glass tiles, which are illuminating and shiny. Marble, limestone, granite, slate, and sandstone are some of the several types of natural stones. They are found in nature and are more valuable than ceramic and porcelain tiles because they cannot be reproduced from synthetic materials.